How do you make money when you are investing in shares? Investing in shares can actually be a very powerful way to build wealth over a period of time or over a long time. And for the sake of those who don't know how people make money through shares, this video will break down the two ways that you can make money from this particular investment. So first, you need to understand that when you buy shares, you are actually purchasing a piece of a company. In other words, you now own part of company X, whatever company it is. So you become one of the shareholders or the owners. Therefore, as that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares will also be increasing. This is called capital appreciation or capital gain. So for instance, if you buy shares at 50 bob and then they rise to 75 bob, you've made 25 bob per share. And this is therefore the first way that you can make money through shares. Let's say you had bought 1,000 shares and the growth or capital gain is 25 per share. Then this means that if you sell your shares right now, you will have made a profit of 25,000, just like that. Let us break it down into math. So you bought 1,000 shares at 50 bob, so you spent 50,000, then invested over time, the share price has grown to 75 bob, and therefore if you sell it right now, you'll make 75,000 bob, which means that your profit is 25,000. And that is simply, I took 75,000, the one I've sold, taken away the 50,000, the one I bought it at. I believe this is now very clear, especially by using this particular example. Next, let's talk about dividends. This is the second way that you can make money through investing in shares. Some companies do share their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends. Being one of the shareholders or one of the owners of the company, then it means that when you make a profit, you are also supposed to take part in these profits. Whenever the company that you've invested in has recorded a profit, they usually share it amongst the shareholders, and usually the amount that they decide to share is divided to a specific figure per share. By using our example whereby you had invested your money and bought 1,000 shares, that means that if the company declared that they will be paying 5 bob per share, for example, then when the dividends are being paid, you will receive 1,000 times 5, which is 5,000 in dividends. This means that you could earn money simply by holding on to your shares and then receiving periodic payouts, and then you can reinvest them or use them as income. And therefore it is very important that you do your very good research, good analysis, look around, so that you invest in companies that will pay dividends or companies which are profitable over time. Otherwise you will have your money invested and you won't earn anything in return. And another thing, timing is crucial. While it's very tempting to try to buy low and sell high so that you can make money through capital gains, remember that the market can be very unpredictable. A solid strategy is to invest for the long term. This means that you hold on to your shares during all market fluctuations. So historically, the stock market will always find a way to go up with time. Also remember that diversification is also another very key point. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, my friend. Spread your investments across different sectors and different companies to mitigate risk. If one investment underperforms, others may be there to compensate for that underperformance. And lastly, educate yourself continuously. Some brokers like KINAIB and the rest have invested a lot in keeping you up to date through WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, by ensuring that you're informed and well advised in order to make the right decision. So you need to stay updated on market trends and company performances. So in summary, investing in shares can lead to significant returns through capital appreciation and dividends. So focus on long-term growth, diversify your portfolio, and keep learning. With patience and strategy, you can turn your investments into a very profitable venture that you can even pass down to your next generation or to your kids. I believe that has helped you understand the two ways that you can make money through investing in shares, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.